Hey, y'all!
Bunny ears.
Bunny ears. Peace out. Anyway,
You said peace out. That means that we're leaving. You just started.
Alright, peace in, I guess.
Sorry, I landed on your head.
I landed on your butt belly. I
Just
guess.
gross. Bye. Wait, what's this video called anyway?
Webkid signature party.
And you're wondering why, and this is what the name of it called.
Yeah, my name is Sugar. Don't you dare call me no other name than I am, cause my name is Sugar.
My name's Caramel. Wait, we're twins.
Yes, we are.
But she was born a little teeny bit first because Caramel. I never actually know this before, but Caramel is actually
brown sugar.
Yeah, that's just it. It's
melted brown sugar. So I love caramel. It's awesome. So
I really like sugar.
Yeah.
And something weird.
What?
I don't know.
My
my name's Caramel, but people call me Dulce de Leche.
Okay. Anyways, yep. We are the
Dulce de Leche.
Oh yeah. Busting my bullshit.
Okay, so I'm on top of you.
What are we, Spanish or something?
I forgot. I think it's German.
No,
Latin. I don't know.
Okay. This is the cat. Hey, yeah.
We're the two rabbits.
We're the two. Wait a minute.
She's my sister from the same.
I'm a rabbit too.
No, you're not. You're a cat.
No, I'm.
She's a sister.
It doesn't matter.
She's a sister with who has the same mister.
Oh my God. Ow.
The thing is, she likes Mario. I like Sonic. The Hedgehog. He's fun. Dude, you seriously just did that. Alright, guys. I think I want to leave. It's too much farting. Bye-bye.
No, don't leave.
Just make sure no one farts on me. If you do, I'll leave. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm sleeping in my bed. Well, that was a total fail. Our party was a failure. Guys.
Yes.
The way you know where Webkid signatures is that on our...
Oh, yeah.
Leave!
Okay, okay.
Sorry. I'm angry at you, so that's why I pushed you off.
Oh, yeah? Miss me!
We can take her. Okay, please leave. This is our house. Leave. It's actually it's illegal to come back in our house. So yeah, that's what.
But I'm a signature too.
Yeah, but our party's over.
Oh,
no, my sister. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
That was very.
We can take her. Okay, together. Party like you've never partied before. Please leave. Hey, the cat's gone. You want to come back? Fine. No, I don't want to. Oh, come on. You're scaring her.
It will never back.
What? This is not supposed to be a joke right now. She's really scared. She's hiding behind you.
Oh.
Don't worry, honey bunches. Don't worry. Please just go leave. You're not a nice person, so please get out of our house.
But you kept pushing me, kissing me. You.
Yes, I am a little mean, but I am allowed to use some combat skills because you're in our house and it's illegal. So please leave.
But you invited me.
Yeah, but of course you were invited to the after party.
Oh. Well, can I come to the after party?
If you don't fart. Well, you're allowed to fart, but not in people's faces.
Okay.
If you do, you're kicked out, okay?
Okay.
Paige wants to come too.
No, I don't. Because she doesn't. Anyways,
she's not gonna fart. Party.
Leave.
issues in this video.
So thank you for watching. Bye.
Just to recap, I'm Dosage Electric. She's wait, my real name's Caramel.
Yeah.
And she's
Sugar. I was born earlier, so. Alright, thank you.
Because you didn't get to hear this, it's Dandelion.
Dandelion.